To start Skip the Dishing. So my schedule was from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. Right now it's 12:01 p.m. So I'm starting a little late, but earlier at 11 I just logged in and I hit pause. So I mean, when I'm ready, I can hit start. Right now it'll probably tell me that I'm a little too far away and that I need to get closer to the driving region or zone. But yeah, I can start driving. Let's go. Alrighty guys, so I'm getting closer to Richmond here, so I'm gonna just tap the offers pause button to unpause and start looking for some orders. Alright, I got my first order. It's usually McDonald's. You can always rely on McDonald's. Alrighty. I like to use Google Maps to navigate me because north is always facing up. I like that.
Head west on Alderbridge Way west toward Garden City Road North. Turn right onto Garden City Road North.
Alright, just delivered McDick's and got a new offer right away. Perfect. Alright, so Triple O's is about 8 minutes away. Let's go.
Head south on number 4.
Some orders right now. It's about 1:33 p.m. So I'm going to take a little break. Just waiting for orders. I have a banana. Nice and portable. And you want to know another nice and portable fruit is? An orange. Very nice. So easy to just grab these and go in the morning, you know? Hey guys, so I'm still waiting for an order, and I thought I would take this opportunity to share with you an awesome app I like to use here in the Greater Vancouver area. It's called Mobile Bandit. On the top right here, click Mobile Bandit. And I usually use this to find deals on lunch. So I can click on nearest and see what's around nearby. And yeah, I can look for deals. Now, one cool thing is I just saw this for Jiffy Lube. So check this out. For Jiffy Lube, you have a show and go option. Enjoy a free top-up of all fluids. Includes oil, washer fluid, power steering, transmission, and coolant. How cool is that? So yeah, I'm actually going for an oil change later today. My mechanic is in Richmond. So yeah, I won't need this, but in the future, I think I will definitely use this. Get a nice free top-up. And other times you'll see, you know, A&W has like stop in for a free coffee, or you know, some other place will offer like free cookies. I think it was Subway or something like that. But yeah, check it out. You can get some pretty good deals here. $5 off when you purchase $10 or more, or $5 off when you purchase $10 or more, or 2 subs for the price of 1, so on and so forth. Yeah, check out Mobile Bandit. Hey guys, so I've actually been waiting for like 20 minutes or so for an order. And so one thing I just wanted to quickly remind you guys of is to bring a book, or, you know, have some podcasts downloaded or something like that. Have something to do, because sometimes you're just waiting around, especially like around this time. It's 2:30 right now, so around 2 to about 4:30, you know, it's pretty dead, right? It's busy around lunchtime, and then it picks up again during dinner, like 5:30 or 6 or something like that. But from about like 2 to 4:30, it's pretty slow. So yeah, bring a book. All right. Oh yeah, and you know, as every YouTuber has to say, if you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe for more. Feel free to share it with friends as well if they might find it helpful. And lastly, if you haven't signed up for Skip the Dishes yet, feel free to check out the referral link down in the description below. Sometimes Skip the Dishes gives a bonus for signing up, and after you complete your first 30 deliveries, you'll get a bonus. Sometimes it's like $25 for each of us, or $50 for each of us. So check it out and see if there's a sign up bonus. It's a win-win. Hey guys, so today I actually ended up just doing the first half of my shift, which was from like 11 to 3, but I actually started around 12. So I did it from 12 to about 2:40. So let's just say 12 to 3. But yeah, the other half I was gonna do, like, my shift was 5 to 9. I ended up going to do something else and then having dinner with friends. So that's the cool thing with Skip, is it's really flexible. So I just basically logged in and then I hit pause. So you don't even need to like contact Skip and say, hey guys, I can't make my shift. It's like super easy. Just log in, hit pause. That's it. So yeah, the next clip, we can just check to see how much money I made today. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. This is how much money I made doing some deliveries in Richmond. And if you guys have any questions, please do leave them in the comments below. I'm happy to help you guys out. Also, if you found the video helpful, please do feel free to like, subscribe, and share with friends. Alright guys, happy driving, safe driving, and have the best day ever. Peace.